All right, we are back to the class. This time, let's see how to change this slider. Straight up, this slider, how to change slider in your store. All right. Now, back to, in case you are not logged into your store, right? Come here, go to log into store again, and then you find yourself on the dashboard here. Then go ahead and click pages. And once it loads like this, just scroll down, okay, and locate a particular page that says front page, comma, Elementor. So don't mind any word that is here, whether it's home, whether it's anything else, as long as it states front page, comma, Elementor. This is the page that you need to edit specifically. So click on edit with Elementor. Now, sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load depending on your network, right? So don't be patient, don't reload the page, just leave it like that. All right, in case you find this pop-up that comes up right here, it's just a new, stuff that is trying to say, oh, you can add this extra on your editing features. Don't touch it at all. Just hit X out. Just close by clicking this close up here in case you see that. If you didn't see it at all, don't worry yourself. Now you are on the Elementor page, right? So you may see this particular pop-up that shows here again. Second thing, just X out on it again. Click on the X. Let me explain something extra for you, right? Anything that you touch at this side of the page, it will automatically bring an edit feature by this other side. Very, very important, okay? And once we are done with the edit, we click update right here, and that is all. Right there, okay? That's all. Now, this is the lady we want to change as a slider. Now, this slider is basically under this particular frame. Okay, there's a frame that goes through all this place like this, all around it. Okay, there's a particular frame that goes, so that's where this video was added. It's a very short video that was added here. Okay, so you don't need to add a video for yourself or on this, right? But if you prefer a video, you can do the same thing. First of all, you have to go to Pixels, come to pixels.com, and then search for a video of choice. In this case, you can say perfume, if it's perfume you are selling, or underwears, okay, if it's underwear you are selling, and then you're able to download a video. Now, right here, what we want is video, so select video option here, and then it filters only videos, right? And then you select the one that you like. Example, if you like this one here, all right, click on it, this little icon here, free download, click on this little icon, and download the smallest resolution, okay? The smallest resolution, like in this case, is 426 by 226. Okay, click on it and download. This will make your site load faster. So don't make your site have too many stuff that is loading. And then you can come here and search word perfume. If it's perfume that you are selling, search the perfume and hit enter. All right, so this one now is for specifically for pictures. This one is for pictures. You're able to download picture of choice. Example, let's say this particular one, you want to download this by clicking this little icon here, download. Okay, now we have picture and we have video. So we are going to go to this particular picture. You can see it on my PC. I'm going to go to this one and hit show in folder. Okay, and then I'm going to right click on here. I'm going to right click on the picture itself, and then open with paint right here. Open with paint. Everybody has paint, especially if you are using Windows laptop, right? If you're using Windows laptop, if you're using any other one, okay, just find a resizer to resize the picture. You can see the picture is too large, so click on resize up here, resize, and then hit pixels right here. This one is pixels. Click on it, and then you change this first one to 600. Change the first one to 600, and then that is pretty much all. Change the first one to 600 and hit OK. Now the picture will resize and look good, very clear. There is no point. All right, save it to your PC and close. And then let's begin to work on the slider. So let's first of all look at the video by clicking these dots up here. These first dots right here, click on it. Now click on style up here, click on style, and then here we go. This is the video right here. You see the video? So if I delete it now, let me highlight it and delete. You see this lady, she's going to disappear. You see that everywhere have disappeared. She's gone right there, okay? Now, what do? We want to add our own video that we uploaded, we downloaded, right, from Pixels, right? So come down here and hit this little says background fallback. This is not where to upload it into, but you want to use this place to get the particular link of that video by downloading it and into your store and then getting the link from here. So click here, anywhere here, by choose image. Click on that choose image, and then go to your PC and look for that video, right, and drag it and drop. I'm going to go to my PC and drag this one here and drop inside my site. So with any video, it's always around 500 kilobyte to 600 kilobyte, right? Especially if you download a lower resolution. But the truth is that will make your site equally be a little slower than somebody who have just few kilobytes of a slider. So these are two options that are available for you, by the way. So this is the video now. It has been added here. You can see it's not showing by this other side of this page. So, but it is right here. Now, all I need to do is scroll down and go to File URL and hit Copy URL to Clipboard. Click on that. I have just copied it. Now, I don't need to click. Don't click on Select this time here. X out here. Click on X out here, and then scroll up here by this other side again, and then locate that our video right here and paste what you just copied. Paste it. Now a new video will appear on the background here. Look at that, beautiful, and it's bright enough. Beautiful and bright enough. That's how to change the very first slider, which is a video slider. But in case your own is not showing video slider, you want to add an actual slider that is picture, not video. Okay, this is how to do it. It's very simple. Now, instead of clicking here, don't click here this time. Click inside of here. Anywhere inside here. Just click anywhere inside. Now, if you see it by this, I see that something have changed here. This side have changed because we clicked anywhere inside here. It's now showing slides. You can see the first one that is here, which is perfume. In case your own is showing multiple slides, right, it's okay. Just know that it's where you want to change those pictures that you are seeing on your own. But mine does not have any picture. So click on here, perfume. Okay. Now, if you look at here very closely, you see that there is a word that says perfume up here, and the perfumes that help you enjoy body and scent like never before, right? And then there is start shopping. Is that correct? Absolutely correct. In that case, this is where it is set up under content right here. See, content. That's where it's set up. So inside that content, that's where we wrote all these things here. Now, but we don't want to go there first. This is the image. The one we are talking about is the image. So click on here to choose image. So we already have an image downloaded from unsplash.com, right? So this is it. I'm just going to drag it into this my store. Okay. When I have clicked choose image. Now I just have to select it after it has added. Look at that. It has already uploaded. Then I hit select here. And right there, our picture have just shown, right? So all you just need to do now is to maybe change the color of the perfume, which is the word perfume, right? We wrote there, and the color of the text so that it's going to be able to be viewable, or clear to somebody who is a visitor to your website. If you make this thing too, the slide will slide, right? It's going to start sliding and then moving to the next page and stuff like that. So if we double click here, by clicking here, not double click, just click once. Under perfume, click this one to duplicate this. Click on that. Now we have two sliders. So we can change the second one to something. You can see it's now sliding. You see that? It's now sliding. Pretty simple, right? Now, the second one, I can decide to remove the picture of the second one so that the video on the background will be the one that people will be seeing. So that's what I want to do now. Just click on here by deleting the picture on the second slide. I delete it. And here we go. Watch what is going to happen. It's going to slide. And once it slides, what people are going to be seeing is the video. You see that? So it slides now and bring the picture, and then it slides on the video shows on the background. It's as simple as that. Now, let's work on the text of this slider. This text of the perfume. This little text that says perfume and the description of the text and the start shopping button. All right. So in that case, click under the slide again on the first one. You do it for the both of them to your choice, right? Okay. Now come here, click on the content, inside the content, and that's the word of perfume. All right. I can decide to change to best perfume. Are you seeing that? Best perfume. Now I can change equally the description here. This way you change the description of this thing that is here, the perfume. Now we are not seeing it again because the white background of that picture, right? So let's scroll down. Now before we go anywhere, this is the link of this start shopping that you are seeing here, this is when people click on that, this is where it will take them to. So type your website link here, or just search shop, S-H-O-P, inside here, and be quiet. Don't click anything, and it's going to bring suggestion of shop page inside of here. You select it. You can see it brought all these things here. So the first one that says shop, click on it now, and that is all. You have added link that when people click here, this start shopping is going to take them to instantly, right? And that is all for this one right here. Now we want to change the color. Right now, let's go to style inside of here. No, don't go anywhere. Don't go to the up style here. No, click on the style inside here. All right, now you can see right here that is custom on the style. Click on that, turn it on. By turning it on, you can see custom, say turn on. Now under here there is content color. You see that content color? We'll go ahead and click on that, and then we change the color to anything of choice. All right, look at that, it has changed automatically. Any color you choose, which it will change to. Any color you choose, it will change to. Any one you choose, it will change to. So your choice, make choice of any color you like from here, and it's going to change to that color of choice. All right, so in this case, I might decide to leave it as a little black and a little white. All right, okay, for the very first one will be black, or something that is going to really come out under this particular picture, right? So let me look for something that will make it come out. So if it doesn't come out well, I will leave it for the other one to take effect properly. That means the picture you are uploading should match, so that your color of your text will not be interfering with each other. So black should not go with black, white should not go with black. So make your picture that you are downloading to use here to have a background that is maybe black kind of background, whereas your text here that you are choosing color here will be something that is whitish, right? So it's as simple as that. Now I'm going to click on the perfume up here, which is the first one now we now have as best perfume, whereas the second one is only perfume. So when I come under the content, I want to leave it under the style as white, so that is the one that will be showing on this lady's hands background. That means the background there is a little bit dark. Even though she's fair, you could see that you can still see the text very well because it's moving around. All right, so like that, you are done changing your slider. That is how to change your slider in Dropper.